Okay, let's see. We have one hashboard from the miner. This 6-pin power must be changed, and we have to show you easy way to remove it. Let's go. You can see this, it's okay. We just need a brush by thinner 10,000 and clean it and dry it. This is my way, and everyone have the own ways. And but it's the very simple and fast, but you must have be careful that you don't hurt this thick board. I have this and put it below the socket power, and I will push something here to pull this power socket. Okay, let's start. It's easy way. We need some soldering it's 60 watt power, and it's cleared here, was here. We clear here. We use a little flux and do this. And we need one more thing: thick soldering wire. And just try to solder new soldering wire to the pins, up and down, positive and negative. Try to don't smell it or use a fan, and do this. Look at this. Just we need a little more. Don't afraid of use this soldering wire. It's okay, we can remove it later. Just slow down and push up and down. We so easily it will, yes, cut off. And we use this to remove the extra soldering wire from the board. It's easy. Okay, and we use the pump vacuum like this. Easy and careful. One, this. Repeat it again to the next connector. Clean it, dry it, use flux. A little flux is okay because a thick soldering wire have a lot of oil. Okay, let's go. Easy and careful. Look how easy you can do it. Easy and peasy. Some my master said, easy peasy. Don't scare. The board will not be damaged. Just use a little more here and the friend. The electronic man is are very delicious. Don't try to scratch the board, just the soldering wire. Do it for the both side. Down, up. If it stick like this, you can use the hot air gun. But I wanted to show you if it's sticked, but you can use this easy way. If this in your way, you can remove it easily. Very easy. Actually, the electronic are easy, but you have to find the best way. And don't hurt yourself or bother yourself. We use pump, pulling pump. I'm sorry if I don't know the real name because I'm not very good in English. Just try to do things easily and smoothly. Yes, I will show you After that, I removed this iron. I'm sorry, this soldering. Oh, it's okay. Not damaged. Something. We're very careful. I use the thin soldering wire a little to charge this. Up, down. Yes. One more time. I'm sure it's really okay. It's okay. And third, don't hurry up. Like, careful. Don't worry about the something like the customer will say, "What are you did? Why you scratched the board?" It's okay. It's repairing, and it's not the only way, but it's the simple way. Look, this is okay, but this have a little soldering wire in the hole, and we must to clean them all. I will do that. Look, I don't know, you can see, this is very beautiful, and we just clean it by some thinner, and don't use a lot of thinner for first time. The second time we use double. 1, 2. Look at, wow, amazing. Hell no. How it's possible? Very beautiful. Like the company made it. We just push the power socket 6-pin I have here. Two of this. Push and place a little sticky. Don't do that very hardly. Maybe you damage the board or polaritors. It's not going through. I use a little flux. Push all the holes. And here. Look at it. Very beautiful. Just put here and press the socket. If you do this carefully, it will be go through. I guess this need to be repulled. Some next way. We use the thick soldering wire, thin soldering wire, and charge it, pull it. I guess it's not the problem here. We have another plug. No, that was my problem. And solved. Look. Very beautiful. Awesome. A little more flux because it's been heated and the flux went to the way. We don't need very flux to do beautiful soldering. You are so beautiful. You don't need anything to make you beautiful. Awesome. A little thin soldering wire. Charge the corner. And I will just use pepper or granix to don't hurt my hand. Yes, awesome, beautiful. I will show you next time. Not next time. After the work. I'm sorry again for my bad English talking, but I use the simple word to understand me, because the word I use this iron soldering wire here, the corner, and here. Okay, you must do this a little here. You have to see me. Sorry, you can't see anything, but we use multiple soldering here and here corners. Use one of the corners, charge it, fully charge it like this, and the next corner, charge it, release. And next corner of the second, yes, and this is the beautiful soldering. I like it. The middle, you know how to solve, because you are beautiful. I know, I see you, and I wanna you like me and subscribe me and push the bell to see my next conversation. That was very beautiful to talk with you. And for the second time we use a thinner 10,000 thinner model, not very much. And we see the bugs. Here is a bug, here is one bug. What the meaning of bug? It's need to resolve. Resolve if you we pay attention. I don't use the flux for the second time to resolve, and you can use it. It's okay. This is my way. It could be your way. Look at this. Very beautiful. Sorry. It's the last time. Call it. Look at this. This is my soldering, and this is my soldering. It's the company. Look at the solar. It's very gray. But my soldering is better than the company. I'm sorry. A little joking with you. It's okay. To the next.